We're being asked to order some fractions from the smallest to the largest. One of the great ways to do this, I think, quickly anyway, is to initially just group these fractions into a couple of groups. Smaller than a half and bigger than a half. So, for example, 4/5, that goes in the big side. A half goes right smack bang in the middle, so that's a special one. 2/3 is more than a half, so that goes on this side as well. A sixth, definitely smaller than a half. 1/10, definitely smaller than a half. And 7/8, definitely bigger than a half. So, for sure, I know that a half is going to be where it is right there. There are going to be 2 fractions smaller than it and 3 fractions larger. So here's how I like to quickly compare 2 fractions. I just have them side by side like here. So 1/6 and 1/10, and I just do a diagonal multiplication. So 10 times 1, drop it down. That's 10. 6 times 1 is 6. So which number is bigger? Obviously the 10 is bigger. It's under the 1/6. So 1/6 is bigger than 1/10. So it's going to look like this. 1/10. Then we go 1/6. Then we go 1/2. So I just need to sort out these guys. So let's have a quick battle between 4/5 and 2/3. So this is 12, right? And this is 10. So for sure, 4/5 is bigger than 2/3. And 7/8. I'll just go 7/8 battling 4/5. So 5, 7 is 35. And this one here is 32. So 7/8 with 35 is bigger, 7/8. So here's the final order. So 2/3 would come next, then 4/5, and then 7/8. And oops, that doesn't look like much like an 8. And that is the correct order from smallest to greatest. Same approach over here. I go, let's split them up. So we've got 3/5 is bigger, 1/9 is smaller, a half is smack bang in the middle, so that's good. A 10th is smaller, a 12th is smaller, and a 1/3 is also smaller. Okay, so for sure I know that the last 2 fractions are a half and then 3/5. So 3/5 is the largest fraction of them all. Okay, this is actually a lot easier than normal because the greater the denominator, the smaller the parts. And here we only have one of each part. So for sure, a 1/3 would come next, then a 9th, then a 10th, and then a 12th. So a 12th is the smallest of those fractions. Okay, that would be it.